Hey guys, it's Mr. Brian. So I was checking Google Classroom, and Emmanuel posted that he needed help on a question. So I'm going to help him out with it and hopefully help you guys out with it, because it was a little it was a lot of work. But so here it goes. Okay, so the question says Lucy wants to attach ribbons around. That word's going to be important. Around a rectangular table. She has 26 meters of ribbon to go around the table, and she has to use it all. Pick 2 different tables she could attach the ribbons on. Okay, so I've been stressing these 2 words, around. That tells me that we are doing perimeter. And perimeter is the measure around a figure, okay? So it says, pick 2 different tables she could attach the ribbons on. So these are the options for the first table, 9 by 11, 8 by 10, 9 by 4. And these are the options for the second table, 4 by 12, 5 by 15, and 5 by 8. So these are all drop-down menus on your Chromebooks, okay? So all of these, what you should know is they're measures of length and width. Okay, so the same thing over here. These are all measures of length and width. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to start with the 3 tables. Okay, the first one here, it says 9 by 11. And since it's a rectangle, you have 2 sides that are longer than the other 2 sides. So this should be 11 here because it's the longer side. And if that's 11, this should be 11. And then the shorter side is 9. So now I do some addition, because the perimeter is when you add all the measurements around a figure. So 11 and 11 is 22, and 9 and 9 is 18, and then I just add, because that's what perimeter is. It's addition. So we got 10, 4. So the perimeter of this figure is 40. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing with this table. This one is 10 by 8. That means the longer sides are 10 and the shorter sides are 8. 10 and 10 is 20, and 8 and 8 is 16. So this one's 36. Okay, so neither one of these tables will work because according to the problem, it said that she only had 26 meters of ribbon to go around, and these are 40. These require 40 meters of ribbon. That's too much. All right, so I did this one, and I did that one. I'm on 9 by 4. So here's my third table. So the longer side goes here, and the shorter ones go here. So 9 and 9 is 18, and 4 and 4 is 8. And to add 8 and 8, and I get 16. I carry the 1, and I got 2. So this is the answer. This is the one that's 26. Okay? So for this table, the one that works is that one. Okay? Now I got to do the same process to this side. So the next one, here's another table. So the bigger side is 12. That goes up here because it's the longer side. And if that's 12, then this must be 12 also because it's opposite ends. And then this is 4, and this is 4. So 12 and 12 is 24, and 4 and 4 is 8, and 8 and 4 is 12. I'm going to carry the 1, and I get 32. So this one's 32. That one's going to be too much around. So that's not it. Remember, we're looking for 26. The next one is 15 by 5. So the longer side is 15. So that means this one's 15, this is 5, and this is 5. 15, 15 is 30, and 5 and 5 is 10. So this is an even 40. And that one is also too much around. So it can't be that one. So that just leaves that last one, the 5 by 8 over here. So the longer side, longer number goes there, the 8 and the 8, since they're opposite sides, and 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is 10, and 8 and 8 is 16, so I get 26. So this one actually works. Okay, so now we know this one works for this table, these drop-down options, and this one works here for this table. Okay, but there was a second part to this question. And it said, what table should Lucy pick to hold the most amount of party materials? Okay, there's another clue word in here. It tells me what kind of math I'm doing. What table should Lucy pick to hold the most amount of party materials? That means you're putting all the plates and plasticware and cups and food on the table. So that means we're doing area. Okay, and when you do area, you're doing length times width. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same numbers, but I'm going to do it a little different math. Okay? So instead of going 9 and 9 is 18, 11 and 11 is 22, and adding it, I'm going to multiply, because that's how you figure area. Area is length times the width this time. So that means 9 times 11 is 99. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 4 is 36. So the biggest number here is that one. Same thing on this side. 4 times 12 is 48. That's pretty big. 5 times 15, I gotta do a little math here. 5 times 15 is 25. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. This is 75, that's even bigger. And then 5 times 8 is 40. And the biggest side here is that one. But it wants you to compare which table would be bigger, or which dimensions for the table would be bigger, and that's this one. So for this one, I would pick 1, dimension 1. Okay, what table should Lucy pick to hold the most amount of party materials, food, and all the other stuff, plates, napkins, cups, plasticware? So dimension 1 table had an area of 99. You could put the most food on that one. All right, I hope that helps. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, or to like, or to leave comments. Hope that helped, Emmanuel, and the rest of you. Good luck.